Hi everyone, here we are at tjmax. Let's take a look at what they have. Oh, look at this one. Okay, what is this? This is the name of the bag. Look how pretty that is with the pineapples. $139.99. And here we have a Kate Spade. This has like that rain material. Here's Kate Spade tag. And that one is $49.99. This one here was reduced to $59.99, and that's a Dooney and Burke. It's not pretty. I like that bag. Okay, and then we have one back there. Let's see. Okay, so that's a Michael Kors. Look at that nice color, pale pink. It's $99.99. Then we have this one. Steve Madden. That's the tag. And that is $34.99. Okay, that's the name of this bag. And I believe that tag says $49.99. Half of it is torn off. And then we have a Kate Spade bag right here. Isn't that cute? That crossover bag. So that one is $59.99. Then we have this one. It's Anne Klein. It comes with this little wallet pouch. $24.99. It's a very pretty looking bag. Nice size. Let me back up. Then behind it we have Michael Kors. I like that color pink. I'm loving the chain strap, and that's $119.99. Then we have this bag right here. That's the name of it. And that one is $49.99. Oh, and here's a Kate Spade. I'm loving that Kate Spade. Crossbody, and that's reduced. $64. That's nice. This one is $129.99. And what kind of bag is this? I'm not sure who makes this bag. Okay. There we have Michael Kors. That one is $119.99. And then this one back here is a Coach. Look at this one. Isn't that cute? That's, like I said, $129.99. Very nice. So here we have Kaylin. That's vegan approved. This one looks like it's reduced to $20. Look how big that bag is. Then here, this one comes with a little, it's a Steve Madden. I like this bag. That one is $29.99. Like I said, it comes with this little change bag, and I'm liking that olive green. Here's another Steve Madden bag. That one is like suede and leather, and that one is $39.99. Okay, this one here is a Juicy, $34.99. Looks like this looks like a travel bag. And here's another one. That one is also Juicy, $34.99. Oh, and look at the little mini backpack. I like that. So that one is $24.99. I like that bag. Then we come over here. What does that say? MW, $16.99. Let's see if these are all the same. Yes, these are all the same. So you get this color. It's a very pretty color. I don't think the camera's catching the right color green. And then here's a lighter one. And they come in black. I like that taupe. This is like a blue. Very nice. This one is Champion, this bag. And that one is $19.99. Okay, so here we have a Steve Madden bag for $39.99. And I'm not sure. This is the name. Oh, okay. This is Cynthia Raleigh. And this tote here is $29.99. And there it is in the navy blue. I'm just going to scan this area here for you. This one here is Juicy Couture. Isn't that pretty? See, that one is $29.99. Isn't that beautiful? those bags over here, these backpacks, these were reduced to $12. Okay, so it comes in that aqua and then in this like lavender. And then, I don't know, this reminds me of a camera bag. Anyway, that's reduced to 16. I'm not sure who makes that. Let's see. Like Dreams. Okay, then we have that bag. That's $29.99. Okay. I'm liking those backpacks. So this one here, this is the tag to that one. Isn't that cute? That little, okay. And so that backpack there was reduced to $16. And this is a Kipling. I like this bag. I like the quality and I love the color. That one was reduced to $32. This is a Steve Madden. Let me back up. It comes with a little pouch. And that one is $34.99. Okay, this one here was reduced to $12. And I'm not sure who makes this bag. Then that gray one back there is really nice. So that one is, here's the tag, Dream Control, New York. Okay, so that little backpack is $24.99. This is a Juicy Couture. I'm loving that bag. Isn't that nice? So that one is $29.99. And look, this is a tutorial, $34.99. So those are really nice. This Steve Madden backpack is $39.99, and I'm loving that DK New York. And those were reduced to $32. Then this one, this is the name of the bag. That one is $79.99. And then look at this one. Okay, this one, that's the name of the bag. Now, regular price is $255. Let me show you the name tag again. Let me see. tjmax is selling it for $99.99. Okay, so this one says, this one is $18, and that says AirPods. That's not the name of the bag. What's the name? Dream Control. And you got some more of those along the bottom here. Okay, this is a Kate Spade. I like that bag. So this is $99.99. It's a Kate Spade bag. This one is pretty too, $39.99, and that's a Steve Madden bag. This is a Michael Kors, $119.99, and there we have, that's the name of the bag here. Let's see what that's selling for. $49.99, and that's the name tag. Okay. this bag, but they got plenty of them. $34.99. You get it in that black and that pink. There's another Anne Klein. $24.99. This one here is a Nanette Lepore. That one is $19.99. Isn't that pretty? Like for the spring? Very nice. Here's another Nanette Lepore. I'm sorry, that one is $24.99. And then this crossover pouch, $14.99. I'm really liking that Michael Kors. This green color here, $99.99, and there's another one back there. And this one here is a Kate Spade. Isn't that pretty? Like a patent leather blue. And that one is $129.99. Okay. Okay, so this one was reduced to $18. I'm not sure the name of this bag. Here's a Kate Spade. I like that color, $119.99, and back there we have a Michael Kors. Okay. So here we have Steve Madden, $34.99. That's such a pretty green. And here, Steve Madden in that like mauve color, $34.99. This is Michael Kors for $99.99. This one here by Urban was reduced to $18. I'm just going to kind of scan these for you. This is Patricia Nash. That's a beautiful, beautiful bag. $79.99. Look at that. I think you could see the quality of that leather. That's a Steve Madden. This is an Anne Klein. And I think that one comes with a scarf. And that one is $29.99. See what's over here. Okay, so my goodness, how beautiful this bag is. That's Patricia Nash. I love her stuff. $99.99, and I'm loving that brown bag. That one is $59.99, and this is the tag for that one. That's Tommy Bahama. And that black bag is really nice. Look at this one. Okay. $49.99. Oh, look how cute. I don't think I've ever seen this. Me to tjmax to check out their backpacks and their purses and more. And I'll see you in the next video.